गुड मॉर्निंग, मेरा नाम है देबारती सरकार एंड दिस इज़ माय यू मे से फर्स्ट बाइक. सो ये ऑलरेडी 3 साल हो चुका है ये बाइक का. एंड दिस बाइक मॉडिफिकेशन मैं इसीलिए दिखाना चाहती हूँ बिकॉज ईच डे आई गो टू ऑफिस, ईच डे आई गो टू एनी राइड. ऐसा कोई टाइम नहीं है जहाँ ट्रैफिक में दी पास वाले दी राइडर और दी जो बाइक चलाते हैं वो बाइक देख के पूछे नहीं कि आपने कहाँ से ये मॉडिफाई किया है. So I will take you through to entire bike what else I have done. Bajaj Avenger 180cc. Not painted or touched the body at all, neither to the logo or to the graphics. So instead what I did, like instead of at the time of buying it, given a good complete polish, and after a few days, as it got soaked, give it a black matte sticker. So I've given this entire black matte sticker which is easily removable also, and once you remove it you will get a fresh new look. For the handlebar, I had not touched either. However, I'm planning to give it a Harley look later and planning to change this handle as well. I have not touched the headlamp, the lens indicator, the rubber bellows, or the oil cooler. So I had customized, or maybe I had put this additional safety leg guard, and wrapped this with this leg guard rope. And this really gives a lot of safety, as God forbid if your bike slips or anything mishap, this gives a good protection, and this protect and gets land. This gets land first, and the bike is actually very safe from any dent or any damages. For all the modifications here, if you are at Calcutta, then the entire bike hub is available at Wellington. तो कलकत्ता वाले people are actually aware कि कहाँ से क्या मिलता है for every bike accessories, and for other states and cities I have not much clue. But Calcutta, if you people wanted to go for any accessory shopping, go to Wellington. For the grab rail, I had removed the company fitted grab rail and given this entire new thing. So this entire thing is done from starting from the iron base to cushions to leather covers. So these are actually made after I had ordered Champinda. Oh, now comes the ultimatum, bro. So I have modified the counter seats, lowered in the height of the sitting, and increased some cushion part for the pillion seat. And this is a headrest of Innova, so I somehow manage and jugaad this, and fix it up. So without this seat, it was actually the time I actually lowered this up, it was actually somehow was broader and bigger than usual for me, and it was too uncomfortable for a longer rides. So this gives me a complete relaxing, and you won't have a back pain either for longer ride, neither for the pillion nor the rider. So the headrest of Innova is easily available, and it is fixed from very down from the base part, so that if you remove it, it won't get it can be removed easily also. Now I have given this hand guard protector, which also glows with the indicator signals, and also for this also helps for any cold places or windy routes. Your hand gets safe, and you can easily throttle freely. And with that, I had installed this charger holder, so which it's actually helps for charging up, or this you can just put your GPS, and this can easily take you to the places, locate places, and this is a minimum thing which is required for a biker. So I had installed this fiberglass windshield additionally, as with 180cc, this doesn't come along with the company fitted. So I had to arrange it and to fix it up additionally, and give it a black border just to enhance the look. Okay, on the sides mounting area, I had fixed these, as earlier I installed two carrier box. So this is the picture. So I had given these two LED fog lights. So this actually uplifts a sporty look, plus gives a good amount of light whenever needed in the dark. I have not touched the silencer, as we should not, or we must not do any chairkhani what company gives you, because company fitted things are bro, like it tunes very well what the bike is built of. Install this throttle cramp buster for the motorcycle grip. So this really helps for the longer ride, and you just need to bend your hands a little bit and not always gripping your and holding it always for throttling up. So this is also for longer ride, it's required.